The Strength Tarot card is the archetype of the master of gentle force, bravery, and compassion. On a spiritual level, this card refers to the battle between the lower and higher selves, where one gains mastery over basic instincts and ego by taming their inner beast, hence earning the power to act upon their destiny. This is not about brutal physical force, however. It is much more sophisticated than that. It's not a buff gladiator that we see on the picture, but a gentle maiden who manages to gracefully tame one of the fiercest wild beasts into cooperation, not submission. This is a clue as to the true nature of strength, not domination, but rather a mystical force that gently persuades to flow with it harmoniously. Just like the lion instinctively follows the movements of the maiden's hand, never biting it despite having the opportunity to do so, and without ever feeling humiliated in the process. The esoteric message is clear. Violence is crude, destructive, and unnecessary. It leads to regression. Only wisdom allows positive evolution. On a material level, the strength is all about achievements. Just like the number 8 in numerology, it is closely associated with success, money, power, and even fame. Upright, this card is a good sign. It points out to mastering a situation that is evolving positively. It means that the inquirer is at that point in life where they get to assert themselves without forcing and radiate as an individual. It predicts victory in whatever the reading is about and possible material acquisition. If a conflict is happening, this card is an omen for victory and advises to oversmart the opponent rather than use direct force. Be the bigger person, keep your cool, be diplomatic, and you'll come up with the upper hand. Depending on the context, it predicts the triumph of truth over lies. In a love reading, the strength means that the inquirer may meet someone who has strong leadership qualities, success, and has achieved some level of fame and recognition. Or someone who works with children, who is jovial, benevolent, reliable, and demonstrates quiet strength. Health-wise, it means strong health, good vitality, especially when it comes to the heart. In astrology, the strength is associated with Leo. Timing of events is around the month of August. Reversed, the strength card indicates stupidity, brutality, and vileness. It invites one to either tame their inner beast or sublimate their lower instincts before it gets them in trouble. It can also show that the inquirer or someone around them is being avoidant or escapist in some matter, in which case they need to grow a pair and deal with it. It warns against hypocrites, cowards, misplaced or repressed anger, impatience, excessive pride, arrogance, and our use of brutal force to dominate others. It can predict a possible aggression, definitely a confrontation of some sort, or a show of power to scare or humiliate someone. Don't be impressed. It's probably all fake or exaggerated, depending on the context. It shows the inquirer is scared, lacks courage, and has no idea how to handle a situation that is getting out of control. Sometimes, it shows mistakes made by rushing into things. In business dealings, there's a risk of discord, power play, hostile takeover, or just a deal where the inquirer might lose something unfairly. Overall, the strength card reversed is a sign of weakness, self-doubt, lack of self-discipline, and a feeling, real or imagined, that life is just one battle after the other. The inquirer might be in survival mode or feeling defensive. In this case, it's time to overpower one's own negativity and rely on inner strength to get ahead. Sometimes, it's just that the inquirer is leaning too much on others, or they're being used as a crutch by others, in which this card asks them to either stop relying too much on others or being taken advantage of. In love, it warns against a person who might seem impressive at first, but turns out to be all talk and no action. A Wizard of Oz hiding behind a curtain of fake bling. Or a very petty tyrant, more ridiculous than dangerous, Lord Farquaad style. Other times, they either meet or are already involved with someone who challenges them and triggers insecurities, which prevents a happy union. Or one partner or potential partner may just be all about fun and frolics, immature, unreliable, and only looking for meaningless fun or lowly sexual gratification. Health-wise, it warns about cardiac issues, depleting energy, and a risk of injury.